Tell me, Miss Mayasim, did you do your homework? Did you submit your homework? Did you submit your homework, my daughter? Homework. Mona Salim. Okay. Tell me, please, about your homeworks. You should submit your homeworks, okay? Now I will start the lecture. Okay. Asia, how are you, Asia? How are you? Asia, the last period it will be science. The last period it will be science. Wasan, how are you? Wasan Saud. The last period it will be science. Okay? Before it was mathematics. But the second period now is math. And the third period is science with Wilma, the new teacher. Okay? So, as all of you are here, so Wasan is present, Mayasim is present, Asi is present, Mona is present, Wasan Saud or Amr is present. So I'm looking for Lamar and Umayma. Lamar, Umayma, and Ithar. And Safiya. Where are they? I will consider them absent. Okay, I will consider them absent for Lamar, Umayma, and Ithar and Safiya. They should attend their lecture, my daughters. Okay, so we start. Can we start now? Please.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will share the screen. Tell me if it is clear or not. Right here, if it is clear or not. It's clear or not. In the public chat, every one of you, in order to check that the screen was shared, and I just want to start the lecture. Please, if the screen was clear for you and the voice was clear, write clear. Okay? It's clear. Okay, Asia clear. Good girl. Who else? Wasan Amr. Wasan Amr is writing. It's clear. Okay, good girl. Okay. Wasan Saud. Okay, clear. Muna, was it clear? Mayasim, she told yes, clear. Okay, now I will start. I will start, my daughters. The lecture will start now, as thanks to God that all of you are here except Lamar and Ithar and Umayma and Safiya. I will try to call the class teacher, your class teacher.
لكن أستاذ الحصة الأولى كانت أميمة حاضرة معانا.
I don't know, my daughter, wallah. She has to attend her lesson. Maybe she doesn't know that the second period is math. But I added her in this lecture. Okay, I will check if I added her or not. Just a moment. This is 6-2. Okay. So this one is the, I will just make edit to check. Edit setting. Okay. But I added her. Then I will add her again in order to, okay. So this is a user. I will add this one. Ithar I will add. Already added. Wasan also add. Then Asia Saud, okay. Then Safiya, okay. Then Wasan Amr, okay. Then Muna Muqaddam, okay. Then Umayma, okay. Then Lamar, okay. So all the students are added twice now. Loreen, I will add Miss Loreen also. I will add Maryam Ba'amur also. Okay, Mariam Bama. Now the last one is Mayasam. Clear? Now, okay, everything is here as I did before. Save and display. Okay, everything is saved, so she can join, let's say, our lecture. Now I move to the lecture of today. So the lecture of today is mixed number, fraction and percentage. First of all, we'll start by mixed number. Okay, mixed number. You can use, yes, you can use the USB cable. So give it to me. I'll do it. Okay. 12. Okay, so I will just write proper fraction and the symbol of a fraction here. Okay, look here, my daughters. I will write, for example, 5 divided by 7. Clear? This 5 divided by 7, it's called proper fraction. Proper fraction. Why? Simply because I will make the lecture, the writing very big in order to be seen. Okay, this one you can see it, isn't it? At least. So we told it is called a proper fraction. Why it's called a proper fraction, my daughters? Because 5 is less than 7. Okay, because 5 is less than 7, because simply because here I will write because what? Because 5 is less than 7. That is why it's called the proper fraction. Clear? Let's see the definition of proper fraction, my daughters. Please hurry up because the lecture is too long. Okay, I will just write here the meaning of proper fraction. Definition. Okay, proper fraction, then I will make like that. Who can give me an example, my daughters? Who can give me an example of proper fraction? Example. Yes?
Like 6 and 8.
Very good. Good girl.
6
Just
and 8.
good girl. Just a moment, my daughter. I will just write the symbol of fraction. Then I will write. Okay, your friend told 6 divided by 8. Okay, this is correct. Why? Simply because the value of the numerator is less than the value of the denominator. Good girl. I will continue. Another example. For example, 15 divided by 70. Okay, divided by 70, for example. The value of the numerator, my daughters, is 15. Is less than the value of the denominator, which is equal to 70. Another example, Mayasam. Mayasam, I'm looking to see your example.
Yes.
What is the example that I will give to your friend? To your friend?
For the example that I will give to my phone.
Yes.
Yes.
Give me the value of the numerator, which is smaller than the value of. Good girl. 6 correct. Divided by what?
Divided.
Yes. Be careful.
Okay.
Look. Proper fraction. We told the numerator is less than the denominator. Minus 5 is less than 7. And here you wrote what? 6 divided by Any example? Yes. Divided by what, my daughter? Any number that is more than 6.
By 7. 7.
Good girl. 7. Okay. Another example. وسن سعود.
يلا وسن سعود.
وسن سعود. For example, 1 divided by what? Any number that is more than 1. 2. Okay, yes, correct. Another example. 1 divided by 4. And so on. Please hurry up. This is about proper fraction. Now we move to the second part, which is improper fraction. Because you cannot, let's say, we cannot deal with mixed numbers without giving the definition of proper fraction and improper fraction. Clear? Hurry up. Finish. As you finish it, I will move to the second part. Now we move to improper fraction, my daughters. Improper.
اصبر بتكتب.
Okay. I will give you time to write. Hurry up. We told proper fraction is like 5 divided by 7. It's called a proper fraction because 5 is less than 7. Means the value of the numerator is less than the value of the denominator. Means, in other words,
Okay.
the value of the numerator is less than the value less than the value of less than not that than the value of the denominator. Okay, so now we move to the second slide, my daughters. This is the first part. The second part, now I will move to what? Improper fraction. Improper fraction is the opposite way, my daughter. Instead of writing a value in the numerator which is less, I will take the opposite way. I will make, for example, 7 divided by 5. What do you notice here? What do you see? 7, is it less or than 5 is more? You see, if the value of the numerator is more than the value of the denominator, it's called improper fraction. Okay, because you can say that 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. Who can give me an example now? Example of improper fraction. Who can give me an example of improper fraction?
We're now unmuted.
Yes, who can give me an example of improper fraction? we told the value of the numerator should be more than the value of the denominator. For example, I will write the value of the denominator as 2. What is the value of the numerator? Yes, any number that is more than 2, because we are talking about improper fraction.
Teacher.
For example, 6. Yes, okay, 6. Good girl, 6. I will give another example. For example, this is 11. What is the value of the numerator? Any number that is more than 11. Any number. Yes. Any number, my daughter.
14.
14. Good girl. 13, for example. Yes. I will write your answer also. Wasn't Saud. This is you told 13. 13 divided by 11. Another example. For example, I will write 99 here. And here it will be what? In the numerator value. 100, for example. Okay? So there are so many improper fraction. I will just write another. For example, 2 divided by 3 divided by 2. Or please write at the same time that I'm writing here. Okay? All of these are called improper, are said or called improper fraction. Why improper? Why improper? Because the value of the numerator is more than the value of the denominator. This is the mean of improper fraction. I think that you got the point at least. Please hurry up. If you finish, don't hesitate to tell you finish it in order to proceed to continue our lecture. Okay, I will wait for your friends, all of you. Grade 6, girls bilingual. I will just record the absence. Bilingual. Okay, second period. Absence. Okay, absence. We told only Lamar, Umayma, Lamar, Safiya,
Ithar.
and Ithar. Yes. Okay. So, can I continue? Finish? What is it, my daughter? Here.
Yes.
Okay. What is this one? Is if you finish it, I will move. I will go to the second slide. Go to the second, Mr. Murad, not the third slide. Second slide. Okay. As it is clear, I will move to the second one, and now we will at least be able to talk about mixed number. You see this one, mixed number. Okay, how it comes here. We are here. Okay, mixed number. Now I will move to what? Please write at the same time. Your math teacher is writing mixed number. Okay, a mixed number, my daughter, in fact, is an improper fraction. Is an improper fraction. Why? Because a mixed number it consists of a whole number and a proper fraction, simply because mixed number is consists of a whole number and what, and proper fraction, and proper fraction. That is the definition of a mixed number. Please write this as soon as you can. Okay, for example, what do you think about example, Murad, capital E, example 7 divided by 5 is improper fraction, isn't it? This one is improper fraction. So why? Because the numerator value is more than the denominator value. 7 is more than 5. But how can you write this improper fraction as a mixed number? How can you write this? Yes? How can you write this, my daughters? 7 divided by 5. How many 7s are there in 5? 1, isn't it? How many 5s are there in 7? 1.
One.
What is the remainder? The remainder is very easy.
1.
Look, when you told there is only one group of 5 in 7, means 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 5 plus what gives 7? Look, 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 5, good girl. So this is 2, it's called the remainder.
The remainder.
Yes, good girl. So this one, my daughter, is what? It's called a mixed number. 1 is a whole number. 2 over 5 is a proper fraction. Why? Because 2 is less than 5, and 1 is a whole number. No decimal number, is a whole number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you see this improper fraction, we change it to what? To mixed number. You see this? The first one, improper fraction, change it to what? Change it or converted to mixed number. Okay, did you finish writing?
Yes.
Good girl. Now I will use this one. I will use this example. Okay, I will use the whole slide up. Okay, now I will choose this one. I will erase this. Then the question is convert the following. Okay, so the first question I will make sub question A. I will make, my daughters, for example, 7 by 3. Okay, then I will erase this. I will erase all of this. Then B. Who can give me another example? Oh, sorry, Mr. Murad. Who can give me another example, my daughter, of improper fraction? We told them improper fraction is in fact a mixed number. Who can give me an example? For example, 17 divided by 5, for example. Another example, my daughters. Give me improper fraction.
Divided by 3.
Which number? 7 divided by 3. We did it here. Give me another example.
5 divided by 2.
Okay, 5, your friend told that. 5 divided by 3. Okay, good girl. Another example? Another example? Another example? For example, yes? Okay, 69 divided by 5. Clear? Here I will change this one. Okay, then for example here, capital E, small e. Okay, let's do this one first. This one, my daughters, how many 3's are there in 7? How many? How many 3's in 7? 2, isn't it? So 2 multiply, look, 2, sorry, كم زي هذيك رب. Okay. I will cut this, then copy here. Okay. So look, 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 plus what gives 7? Plus 1. I should write here 1. Yes. Okay. The next part, the same method I will make. 17 divided by 5. So how many 5's are there in how many 5's are there in 17? 3. Good girl. I will write here 3 as a whole number. Good. Then 5 multiplied by 3 is 15.
15.
Plus what gives 17? Plus
2.
Good girl. Plus 2. Excellent. The next, also it will be equal. So I will just select this one. This is how many groups of 3 are in 5?
1.
1. Yes, good girl. I will write 1. Then Banet, this is the reminder. I will erase this one because you will search it out. 3 multiplied by 1. This is 3 multiplied by 1 gives 3. Plus what gives 5? Plus 2. This is the reminder. Now this one, 69 divided by 5. Okay, you will write the reminder and you will write the whole number, the quotient. Okay, how many 5's goes there in 69? Yes? How many, my daughters, my best? 15.
13.
13. Good girl. What's an amr with me, isn't it?
Yes.
A good girl. Yes. 13 multiplied by 5. Look here. 13 multiplied by 5 is 65. So 65 plus what gives 69? So 65. Yes, my daughter.
Plus 4.
Good girl. So plus 4. Are you sure? Okay. And the others?
No, it's clear.
Okay, so enter again, my daughter. Muna, enter again. I'll check your friends. If I will check your friends first. I will check your friends. Please, the other. The screen was clear. Screen was clear. Clear for you. What's an amr? Yes, okay. So Muna, please re-enter again. ادخل مرة ثانية Muna. Clear أيوب نقص. Okay. So Muna بنتي, try to enter another time. ادخل مرة ثانية. Okay. So all of you, the screen was clear. So I will continue the. So it will be 13. Your friend told the 13 multiplied by 5. 13 multiplied by 5 is 65. Plus what? 65 plus 4 gives 69. Means this one multiplied by that gives 65. Plus 4 gives 69. So the remainder is 4. Thank you for your understanding. Hurry up, the others. If you finish it, please let me know.
I finished.
Okay,
Also me.
good girl. Now we did what exactly in the first question? Can you see? Convert the following means convert these mixed number to, sorry, this improper fraction to mixed number. You see, the first one, 7 divided by 3 is an improper fraction. I change it to, or I convert it to 1 over 3 means a mixed number. Now we will do the opposite way. I will make like that. This is the question, okay. Here convert the following, or convert the given mixed numbers to improper fraction. Please write the question, my daughters. Okay, this is the question. I will write here, for example, 2, and here 2. Okay, I will change this one. Be, for example, 6. Okay. Here I will make 41, and here I will make 2. Then and this one I will make 6 or 5. Okay, here we have some mixed numbers. We want to change this mixed number to improper fraction. To improper fraction means a fraction where the numerator value is more than the denominator value. This is meaning the improper fraction. The value of the numerator is more than the value of the denominator. Okay, so I will do the first one for you, my daughters. Okay, so look how to do this. I will just, please, it's very important for you to understand that. Clear? Look, I will make 2 multiplied by 3 here. I will make 2 multiplied by 3. Why? I will look at this 3. Sorry. Okay, I will copy this. Copy. Look at this 3. You see this 3 at the denominator? I will multiply by the whole number. 2 multiplied by 3. I will make 2 multiplied by 3. Then I will add what? I will add the remainder. I will add this one. Plus 2. Okay? So this one equal what, my daughters? Look. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this one is equal to what? To 8 divided by 3. Copy and paste. It will be, we told, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the last answer is 8 divided by 3. Clear? Okay, the next we have 6 1 over 5. This is a mixed number. I will change to improper fraction. You see this one, sub question A, this is mixed number. I change it to this one. I told A is mixed number. I change it to improper fraction. Why improper? Because 8 is more than 3. Now I will go to the next one. here it will be equal to, I will make 1 over, okay, this is 5, and this is, I will okay, I will first of all copy this, copy, equal, I will make here also equal sign. Okay, now Benet, what is the denominator here in the second example? Is 5, isn't it? Is 5. So the 5 I should write it here. This is 5, I will write here 5. Okay, then look here, I will multiply 6 by 5, then I will add 1. I will make 6 multiplied by 5, 6 multiplied by 5, then I will add 1. So this one is equal to what, my learners? Should be equal to, yes, should be equal to, copy and make here equal sign. Okay, here also equal sign. Okay, and here also equal sign, my daughters. So look, the 5, this 5 I will write it as it is, no change. Okay, I will write here the denominator, I will write it, I will never change. But 6 by 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So this is the correct answer. For the second example, we have, I will write the denominator here, the denominator is 3, I will write it. Then we have 41 multiplied by 3 gives 123. 123 plus what? Plus the remainder, plus 2. So 123 plus 2, my daughters, gives 125 divided by 3. Okay, the last example, we have 5 over 11. I will make 5 multiplied by 11, then plus 5, but the denominator here is 11. Okay, so I will make 5 multiplied by 11 plus 5. 5 multiplied by 11, my daughters, is 55. 55 plus 5 is 60. 60 divided by what? By 5. Now you can see that we did really convert mixed numbers to improper fraction. I wish that this one was clear for you, my daughters. Please, I will give you time to write. I will give you time to write this. I wish that was clear for you. I will give you time. I will give you time. Give you time to write. To write this. And if you finish writing, my daughters, writing, Mr. Murad, not writing. Finish. Okay, writing. Please let your teacher know. Please let me know to proceed. So that to proceed. Okay. I will go back to the lecture in order to write. What do you want, Jory? You want the phone? Yeah, Jory. You give the phone to your daughter, to your sister, and go there. Okay? Take. Jory. Yes. So this lecture we saw how can we convert from mixed number to improper fraction, and improper fraction to mixed number. Next period, inshallah, we will see how can we change fraction to percentage and so on. Okay, but the last question, Ayub, I'm still working, please. The last question, my daughters, is that I will just Alright, the last question for you, this one. Okay. خلاص finish writing. Tell me, my daughters, did you finish this or not?
No, still.
Okay, you are still writing. Okay, I will give you time. Okay, please, I will tell you something. Please, my daughters, please and please, you have some homework in the module. Please submit, do them and submit them. I want you to give you full marks. I don't like to give to one of my daughter 0 or 1 out of 4 or 5 marks. Okay, you have time. You try to, let's say, to submit your homeworks on the module, of course, in order to get good marks. Yes,
I do it all.
good. Yes, Amr, I saw this, and I gave you your marks. But I'm looking for others who didn't try, because I cannot give them marks if they didn't do it. That's why I'm telling you, please do it, because you have now time. If let's say the yes. Okay, خلاص. Okay, so we continue. So please, I told you, please try to do it. It remains only 5 minutes. You can take some rest if you'd like. Okay, those who finish writing the lecture, thank you for listening, and prepare yourself for the third period. Okay, my daughters, did you finish خلاص, or you are still writing? Finish? My daughters, you are still writing? You are still writing? You are still writing? I thought that Asya, she told the yes, she is writing. Okay. Asya, did you finish? My daughter, Asya, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you for listening. See you inshallah next lecture. Okay. Okay, my daughter, I will end the meeting. Prepare yourself for the third period. Okay, you have 1 minute or 2 minutes to yes. Okay, so the others, please, if you have time, please don't hesitate to do your homeworks. I'm looking for correcting them and give you full marks. Okay, thank you for listening, and goodbye, my best daughters. Thank you for listening. See you inshallah next time. بإذن الله سميع العليم. Goodbye. I will write here. Goodbye, my daughters. See you next time. See you next time, inshallah. Okay, now I will end the meeting, my daughters. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening again. End meeting.